Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video, as you guys already know from the caption, is going to be my pedicure routine. Actually I'm planning to do self-care episodes for you guys, so that you can take full advantage of the quarantine time. So this is the first episode of self-care, and that is your pedicure routine. So you do not have to go out and buy stuffs for doing this particular routine. So that's a major advantage. You have all the things already in your home. You will feel very much relaxed when you do this routine, and you require 30 to 45 minutes of your time for this routine. It's not really complicated, but the major goal of self-care is to invest time onto yourself and relax into this process. If you're someone new and looking at this face for the first time, please do hit that subscribe button, and also do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you will be notified and you will not miss other self-care videos I'm going to post next. To enjoy this video, please hit that like button and support me, and let me know that this kind of content interests you. Once that is done, let's straight away get into the video. So first and foremost thing is you need something like this, a bucket like this. It is better if this kind of bucket is used. This is something wide mouth bucket, so that you have enough leg space and you can move your legs freely. So I'm using this tub. So the first ingredient I'm going to use is rock salt. If you have Himalayan pink rock salt, it is better. So I'm just using 1 full spoon of rock salt. After rock salt, I'm going to use half a lemon juice, and that is 1 complete lemon I have, but I have already used this one during my morning tea. So I'm going to take this part of lemon juice, so you are not wasting lemons. So I'm just going to squeeze with my hand half a lemon, and then I'm going to put the chilka or the peel of the lemon into. Next, you have to use something that is foaming up and helps to cleanse your leg or the feet. So for that you can generally use shampoo, or you can also use body wash. What I'm using is from Thick Skin body wash. It's a paraben free body wash which I'm using. It's in the flavor Wild Rose. Just a rough amount. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This will help in further exfoliation and further soften your hard skin. So I'm going to roughly take this much. It's in. I have 1 extra step here which is really optional. If you want, you can do it. I'm going to use this particular tea. This one is from Organic India. This is the sweet rose tulsi tea. Actually, the story behind using this one is to give a spa kind of effect and the feel. So why I use this is because this is gonna near its expiry date, and I wanted to put this into use somehow, and I'm not very fond of this particular flavoring. Cut it and pour it into my tub. That is done. I'm going to pour in this hot water. I'm going to pour a bit of normal temperature water. So this is going to be my setup. I'm sorry it's a little bit messy, but just let it go, guys. So here what I have done is I have placed a cloth so that I don't spill and make this place a mess when I am doing my pedicure. It's really important that you have a separate towel kept so that you will not make a mess of this place. So hi guys, I'm back with my voiceover. So the main thing you have to remember here is when you're pouring the hot water or warm water, make sure that the heat is bearable enough, else please add cold water to it, otherwise you will burn your sure that you're immersing it slowly and steadily without shaking too much, because if you shake too much you will not be able to take the warmth of the water. It's general tips or general experience I have. So I'm using a tool something like this you can already get in many supermarkets and general supply shops too. So the brush area I am using on top of my skin, because this bristles will help me exfoliate the top part of my feet. So generally I do this whenever I take bath. Next I'm taking the lemon peel and massaging my legs. It's generally for brightening effect, like we do it in our facials. Make sure you're soaking your legs for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Next I'm using this pumic stone part and I am going in circular motions to make sure that the dead skins are off of my legs. Similarly, I'll be going with the other two sides. It is similar to nail filing, guys. Like once you cut your nail, you will be shaping it and you will be filing it right. So the same thing I'm doing. Black part of the brush, as you can see, will help to buff all the rough edges and make your skin smoother. Once that is done, I'm going to use basic tools which we have in our nail kit or pedicure kit, and I'm going to remove the dead cells and all the dirt clogged in between my nails, and I'm also going to remove the cuticle. For making this DIY scrub, you just need some coffee powder mixed with sugar crystals. Since my coffee powder is not grounded, I am using this instant one just to give my skin that boost of caffeine. And then I'm going to use this sugar, granulated sugar, so that it gives the scrubbing effect better. To this mixture, I'm just going to add coconut oil, and then massage to my legs. The main reason for me to use this scrub is to give enough moisture to my legs. Since we have used baking soda and lime, also many active ingredients in our soak, I am using this particular scrub so that my legs will feel moisturized and will have enough smoothness and shininess. That is why I'm going with this scrub. This is the last step, guys. Once you wash and look at your legs, you can see a major difference. It will be more even toned, and your heels will feel better and nice and smooth. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, why wait, guys? More videos are coming up, so do not forget to subscribe, and see you on my next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye.